Hi guys, and today I am going to be doing a video on giving our doves a bath by spraying them with a spray bottle. When you give your doves a bath, there are plenty of ways to do it, and some ways your bird may like less, and some ways your bird might like more. Our ringneck doves tend to really like being sprayed with a spray bottle, and our diamond doves don't really. And none of them seem to really like bathing in dishes. And different birds like to bathe different ways, so just try out different ways, and don't try to give your bird a bath if they obviously don't want it. If they're running away from the water, then they just don't like water. Some birds are more used to higher amounts of water than others, so it just depends on the species of your bird and your bird's personality and, you know, whether they like water. For the ringnecks, I'm going to try and give them a spray and see if they like it. So this is mine, she's not running away. And now, she's sticking up her wing. Aish started doing this. So he definitely put on quite the performance there. Let's see if mine wants more water. Oh, she's putting up the wing. When birds put up their wings, it means they're trying to get water on their wings. And when they leave, it means they don't want water. Maybe try again later if they get these sprays. So here's what you get. Some wet little borbs. Here's wet Miney. And wet Aishi. So I turned the air off so they wouldn't get cold, and I'm just gonna let them dry off now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you did, and also don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed watching it, and stay tuned for more, because in another week I will be posting another bird video, and I will be posting another gardening video on Monday. So stay tuned, because I post very frequently and you don't want to miss anything. So I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time.